Okay.
Hello, my name is Sandy. Today I am present my English presentation. This unit is about interpreter of melodies. So in this unit, I learn about many things and they are important. We read with group and share our idea, and also study the feeling of the character in the book, and we write an essay. The first subject knowledge that I learned is communication. Communication is important because it connects to people's life. Communication can change people's feeling. And then this is impact me because I know listen to others' idea is good for our work. Good for our work, and if you did something wrong and you did not listen to others' idea, and you made the wrong decision. And the other knowledge that I learned more about in this unit was two John Paul Lehari stories from a connection interpreter of melodies. This means some of stories have the same idea and they can connect together. Learning more about this impact me because it let me understand not everything just have the one way to do it. We can find the other way to do it better. For example, I find the answer in the book. I am not easy to find the answer, but I find it in the internet. I can more easier to find the information and answer. One skill I learned more about in this unit was making connections between stories and our lives. This means something in the story good to remind us to change some style or some let me did some change in the future. Let us do it better. This skill impact to me because it helped me think of more detail in the story and remind me how to change me to let myself better. For example, I'm not hard before, and when I watch a book called Tiny Time, and it have some detail in there remind me to told me to have hard work when I'm young. The second skill I learned more about in this universe, introducing and paragraphing, also announcing plots from a story. This means make change and make the story more easier to understand. Learning more about this in me because it can improve my English skill and let me remember more vocabulary word. And in this unit, I learned the English development is was speaking with tutors to check our ideas and writing. This means we need to talk with tutors and share our idea to them, and they will help us to make the essay become better. This impacts me because it can allow me to practice my speaking skills with the others, and also can practice speaking English and have a good relationship with the others. The second English development I learned about in this unit was improving spelling and reusing our essays. This means I need to find a mistake in the essay and change it, make the essay better, and make people more easier to understand when I'm talking. This impacts me because it can make my writing more better and make the sentence correct. For example, when I write a wrong sentence, and it can make people feel confused when the people watch my essay. In conclusion, this knowledge and skills English development practice I learned in this unit had a noticeable impact on me. The important thing impact me is more communication with others, because communication is important to have a relationship when you finish your college and find a job. You may need a good communication with others. Have any questions?
Thank you. All right.
What was that?
When you use a quote in an essay, and what words need to come before and after the quote?
When you use a quote in an essay, what do you need to do before and after the quote?
Yeah.
But he did the other one.
No interpretive melody, that's right. Oh.
You did interpretive melody?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So, do you have an idea? When you use a quote in an essay, what words need to come before and after the quote?
What?
Quote is like the part of the story. Remember when we made the essay, and you have to take a part of the story and put it in your essay. So what do you need to do before and after this quote?
The sentence, the quotation mark,
Quotation mark, okay. And what else?
and also
Next question?
Huh?
Next question?
You want to pass?
Yeah.
The next question?
Yes.
Can I see that? How did one of the stories connect to assimilation, isolation, communication, or identity?
Okay. One story is the place house that I read is connect communication.
Why?
Because in the stories, the woman she like to follow her mind. She don't like to listen to others' opinions and ideas. And even though she did a wrong things, and the others told her not to do this, and she will do this. So it's show us the bad communication.
So it shows about communication with the daughter?
Wait, in the Blessed House, who had bad communication?
The place house.
Yeah, so the woman in the Blessed House, and who was the other person with bad communication?
Just her.
So when you have communication, it has to be with two people, right? Communication
so
is not.
One for good communication is that the woman like to talk to person who have the same similar life with her. She talk with him and share her secret.
In the Blessed House?
No,
Oh,
in the other stories.
oh, in the other story, Interpreter Malady. Okay, in the Blessed House story, you said the woman in the Blessed House, she does not listen to
Others' ideas.
the other person's idea. So who does she have bad communication with?
With her husband.
Ah, her husband. Okay. Questions?
What was similar and what was different about the themes for the two stories you read?
The similar between two stories, they have money communication, and they like to talk with people. The difference between two stories is that one is good communication and the other is bad communication.
Why is paraphrasing useful?
It make paraphrasing is mean change in your own word and make you easier to understand what it means in the story.
What was something that you learned about communication from these stories that was totally new, different, like you never knew before?
Is that listen to others' ideas.
You never knew this before.
I know.
You
I know
never
before,
listened to anyone's idea before?
but more listen because even though people told me to not do this, I will follow my heart and do this.
Can I ask something? You were saying that you were lazy before you read the book Tiny Turn, and you said that the book has affected you. And can you give us a specific example in your life? Like how does it affect you?
So in the future, you have to find a work. If we have a development in the college, so if we are not study hard in when we are young, so we can find a good job and have a better life after.
Can you give an example of something you changed, something you do different now in your life, like an action that you did different?
For example, before I don't like to read with my group and listen to class, and I get a low grade in the class. But now I do my homework and help my groupmates to understand questions and have a better grade before.
One more question?
We said we already have a lot of questions in mind. Don't press him. Don't push him.
I will ask one more. Does anyone else?
Okay,
Have
I will
one?
ask you one more.
One more, last one.
And you will not ask for it, right? Okay, when you are doing a reading guide and you are waiting for other people in your group to finish writing, what useful things can you do?
I can go back and see which word I didn't understand and translate it. Also can faster to read with the stanza that they are not ready to read it.
Okay, thank you.
So